In this video, I will be reviewing new Ohuhu Polygel Nail Kit. Hi, welcome. My name is Masha, and in today's video, I'll be reviewing Ohuhu Polygel Nail Kit. I haven't shown myself in a while in the camera, but it's time for me to come back, and I hope you look forward to seeing more of me. And if not, well, sorry, you can tune to a different channel. But please stay. I've been a little sick, but feel like it's time to get back to filming more videos, and I could not withhold from you my sexy, sick voice. Well, let's go ahead and look what's in the box. This set has 10 normal colors, 4 glitter colors, and 4 temperature changing colors. Look at this huge set. Each tube in the set is 15 grams or half an ounce. And honestly, when you get this many, it's totally fine that they're that size in my opinion. There's a set of dual forms. I already have tried Ohuhu dual forms and I like them. In this set, there's also nail clippers. I think these are for not clipping your natural nails, so to speak, but more for clipping excess polygel. Then we've got, there's the snippers, or whatever they're called. These are actually not bad. They seem to be strong enough. I don't know about how sharp they are. Cuticle pusher. Look at my calluses from all the yard work I've been doing. These are hands that are working hard. I personally really like this type of nail files, these gray ones. Here I have the brush on one end and the spatula on the other end. That's pretty standard. There is a slip solution, base coat, glossy top coat, and something I'm personally excited about is the matte top coat. Here's a instruction booklet with everything you need to know with all the colors. When it comes to color changing, the higher the temperature is, the lighter the color will be. For color changing, these two, at least on the picture, look about the same. Instructions: push the cuticle, clean the cuticle, file and buff the nail, base coat first, cure, nail form size, squeeze the nail gel into the nail form, dip the brush in cleaning solution or alcohol, then, slip solution, sorry, shape the nail in the form, nail, apply nail form to the nail, cure, remove the form, trim, I would say also file, apply top coat, cure, and it's supposedly finished. How to remove? They recommend trim the nail, then file the surface, and clean the surface with a wiper. Apparently you get the French manicure for that. So this is a lot of polygel for just one set. Look at all of this. Let's do one at a time, ladies, and probably mostly ladies and some gentlemen. This clear looks quite promising. Look at this, looks pretty clear. It does have some bubbles, but what polygel doesn't have bubbles? White. So I do squeeze a decent amount out for filming, but I don't want to waste it. So I squeeze the tube, I squeeze the air out, and then gather what's left and try to let it get sucked back in. That way I don't waste all that much. Here's this color. I believe BR is for brown. So brown number 3. And 4 for the nude. And 7. 24 hours later, I'm returning to this review why I think it's important for me to mention that it's 24 hours later, because my voice have changed. This is what I have right now after hours and hours of coughing. Next we have pink number 1. My nails do need some TLC, so for the rest of the review I have decided to switch to gloves, just so I can slightly distract you from the look of my hands. So far all colors have been really easy to work with, quite pleasant colors. I really look forward to actually using them, which is something I'm planning on doing in upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. Then we have piece 7, which is pink number 7. Pink number 7 is very close in color to pink number 1, but they're still different. Let's cure this baby. And moving on to the next one, pink number 8. Interesting, how pink is this one gonna be? Gloves that are right size is such a joy to work with compared to the gloves that are a bit too large. It's hard to find gloves that are small size in a hardware store, and that's where I have shopped. I believe it's time to shop online. It always, every time I twist it, it feels like I broke it, which I know I didn't break it, but still every time I twist it, it feels like I did. But polygel is more durable than that. And this is pink number 9. I'm just reusing the same tips. This is not a dual form. This is just a nail tip that I chose to make my swatches. Okay, this is pink number 12. This one reminds me of the dusty rose color. Okay, moving on to color changing. Yay! Color changing, CH for changing. Number 10. It's promising to be orange and clear. We'll see. On camera and off camera, it looks very different. On camera, it looks more orange, and off camera, it looks more coral. Oh my goodness. This one does not want to come off, and it's breaking. I may have to switch to a different form. Again, I want to make a reminder that this is not a dual form. This is a full coverage tip. Here's my bowl of ice water. Next, I am going to do color changing number 11. I'm really curious to see what that one looks like. It looks like, on the picture at least, like a pomegranate. It is more or less clear. Oh, that's satisfying cracking when you take the dual form off. Let's place it in the ice cold water. It's not really red. It looks more pink than red. Next, we have this color changing number 12. Curious to see what this baby looks like. I just love playing with polygel. I like messing around in the form. Looks very similar to the number 11. There's color changing number 4. I guess I started in the wrong order. I started with a 10, 11, 12 and then got back to the 4. We have glitter DGP 6, whatever that means. The base is, I think it's just clear, to be honest. It's just clear polygel that has pink small glitters in it. They're kind of pinkish red, and It has a hexagon shape, holographic glitter of different sizes. Glitter polygel usually is quite sticky compared to solid color polygels. So I like to use an orange wood stick that's slightly dipped into alcohol. I dab it into the towel, and once it gets sticky again, I place it into the alcohol again and dab it into the towel again. This way you can see all those hexagon holographic glitters. They're quite pretty. And next one we have this DGP4. It's a slightly tinted blue. This is very wintry. This is why it's a good idea to wear gloves while working with polygels and gels. Right now I'm not doing my nails, and all of this polygel would have been on my skin, and over time gels and polygels can cause allergies. It's not an issue when it's on your nails, but the skin is what gets irritated. So be careful. DP02. This looks like confetti. I love it so much already. I would have called this color Princess Bubblegum. I don't know why. It makes me think of Princess Bubblegum from Adventure Times. It's like she pretends to be crystal clear, but yet she's a girl of many colors. The pink is predominant. I love it. Look at those green ones. Oh my goodness, it has pink hexagons. It has green ones. That also has a little shimmer to them. Also there is clear yellow. They're kind of hard to see, but there are some in there. Then it has blue and the tiny pink ones to match. This is beautiful. And last but not least is DP5. Let's check this out. Okay, I'm not ready to say anything about this one yet. Let's see it in the form. To be honest with you, I expected a little bit more out of this one, but that was my personal expectations. Probably have nothing to do with the actual product. I thought it would be a little bit more purple. It seems like here it has a little bit more glitter. Okay, as far as the base goes, I'm pretty sure it is the same type that in the previous Ohuhu Polygel Kit that I have reviewed. Usually for polygel kits, the base gel will be a runny base, not a thick type. Let's actually test it out. It is a runny consistency, just like I expected, because it is a base gel for nail extensions. So I'm sure it's a hard base and not an elastic base. I can break it now. But this is a hard base, because elastic base would have bent it. If you're curious about different types of base coats, I have a video on that, and it's popping up right now in the right upper corner. Alrighty, and so now we are going to test top coats, glossy top and matte top. So right now I am just applying half of the nail in a gloss top. I'll cure it and then I'll do the other half in a matte. This will have a complete swatch of this polygel, and here they are in the gloss and the matte. We have clear, white, brown number 3, nude number 4, and nude number 7. Now let's compare them to what's in the booklet. I'd say pretty close. I think the brown is a bit lighter, but I also made it pretty thin, so a thicker layer of brown would be closer to the way it appears on the photos. I think it's pretty close. Okay, let's do the other 5. I'll do gloss first. This pink number 12, the last one,
that I'm working on right now, it didn't fully cure inside, so it has that little dent in the middle. So this is the Pink Galleria Pink Collection. Pink 1, 7, 8, 9, and 12. And here's them in the matte. So now let's look at the booklet and compare them as well. Yeah, they're close. What do you think? I think it's pretty close. Not that it really matters, I like it either way. And now we'll do color changing. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make them all warm. Okay, I got these warmed up. If you have nails long enough, you don't really have to dip it into the eyes to get the color show. So wherever it is connected to your skin, so on your nail bed, the nail part will be white and the extension will be color, and you'll have this natural gradient because of that. I'm dipping them into the ice water. So in reality, you won't have this type of line because it will be, your skin will make the gradient. This is what they look like in the booklet. Them in gloss and them in matte. Actually, I like it in matte a lot. I like them. Okay, I'm gonna finish matte on these babies just to see. I think there are times where matte glitter is appropriate. This sometimes does come handy in certain designs. That's why I wanted to show these glitter ones in the matte as well. So this is it. Those are the colors. I think it's gorgeous. I like the colors. That's what's in the box.
I really like this kit. I like the polygels in it. There are a lot could be created with this one set, and I'm planning on playing around with it more, so stay tuned for more videos made with this set. So this is the space where all YouTubers ask you to like their video and subscribe to their channel, and well, there's a reason for that. That helps YouTubers grow. If you'd like to see me grow, please consider doing so. I would really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.